Hi, wanna know how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, to do a screenshot, we would need to click on key combination, which is power button and volume down button. So now let's test it. I will click on both of these buttons at the same time, and you can see that I have made a screenshot. We can also take a look on it by clicking on the menu at the bottom part of our screen. But what if I tell you that you can actually capture a whole website in only one screenshot? Let me show you how. So as a first step, we would need to open any type of website that we would like to capture and then do a basic screenshot with the same keys. And now we would need to click on this button that you can see here to scroll down and capture lower part of the website, and we can continue clicking on it until the website will end. But let's stop for now and click the home button. Now if we will open our gallery, here you can see the screenshot. If we will zoom in, you can see that the details are clear and it's able to read it, and it's not even blurry, it's perfectly visible. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.